You will know by now that lighting design and the supply of advanced state-of-the-art materials is much more than merely creating a light to see by. Knowing and understanding about all the features and techniques of lighting design is part of your job. And communicating that same knowledge to your customers in a way that they'll understand and appreciate your expertise is a great skill to have. A pitfall in any industry is using terminology that loses the client because they don't know what's being talked about. For example, they may have heard about lighting effects, but may not have a clear understanding of what these different effects can have on their staff and customers as related to their business. You can illustrate to them the basics of light distribution and show them which of the direct, indirect or semi-direct forms is the most appropriate for them in their workplace. And when the talk in your meeting turns to lighting effects, you can show clients how task lighting may be the right thing for them in certain areas of their premises, or how accent lighting will be used to highlight their displays or in the specific regions they need to have emphasized. For those customers who need more than just a basic illumination application, that means just about everyone, you will be able to show them all the applications a well-designed system can mean to them. From the cove lighting designs that add to the ambience of their establishment, to the practical but subtle orientation lighting that ensures accidents can be kept to a minimum. You'll also be able to introduce them to the aesthetically pleasing world of how mirror or decor lighting can add the desired ambience and mood to their establishment, making it even more effective and pleasant to their customers and staff. And while you might have to discuss some technical terms, having a knowledge of things like lamps, lumen, lux and luminous intensity will help you to set the stage for the introduction to your customer of how a professional lighting designer can help them. Working with your customer, you will go through the process that will accurately assess exactly the right type of illumination for their project and then tailor-make the design to specific requirements, helping them to function in the best environment possible. The professional lighting designer works carefully to ensure all the budget and any other goals are met. They meticulously work out the perfect design plan and then present it to the customer so that they can clearly see the finished vision laid out prior to installation. Your potential customers and your existing ones should be introduced to the process we offer that will lead them on the journey of lower operating costs with higher energy efficiencies. Together, we can show them how all the options of well-planned and professionally designed systems will make their office and workplaces more pleasant for their staff and safer too. We can encourage them in their quest for a greener environment that operates efficiently without sacrificing the efficient lighting sources that they need for a successful operation. With our team of professional lighting designers, we can illustrate that the low maintenance of LED will save them time and resources in a safer and more pleasant work environment. If your customer is serious about the right use of their own economic resources, about ensuring safe workplaces, and about reducing maintenance costs, then any new or existing business needs to know how you can introduce them to systems that can change their world for the better. We're here to support you as you take them on this journey.